side quest here. This is JD 6200. Came in with an issue where the PTO and the 3 points wouldn't lift. So the PTO would not turn on, 3 points wouldn't go up and down. Last summer, helped a guy tear it apart. We couldn't find anything wrong with it. Tested all the wires on everything. Brought it back to the council here. Well, I actually found there was a bad wire going into our relays from the fuse panel. Then we found another bad wire down here where it was pinched. So we got them squared away. Everything's working again. Now I need to reassemble everything, get this all assembled, put back together. But I need to go through and get all these wires tied up neat and tidy with, of course, not enough black tape. So I got to find another roll. Get that all buttoned up. Excuse me. Put it back together. We're going to change some filters, oil. Get this thing running for the guy for the season. Could use a buff too. Not sure why. She's been neglected her whole life. So that's what I'm going to work on. Wiring. Well, we've been pinning out, repinning or depinning, whatever it's called. The original plastic is pretty brittle. As you can see, there's pieces everywhere. This is the process. There wasn't enough space here, so I couldn't just do one-in-one transfer. So what I gotta do now is pair up. Each number, or each wire is numbered. And I have to pair that up over here to make sure it goes in the right spot. So make the right connection. It's taking a lot of time, trying to be precise. Because I don't want to fire it up and find out something's not working and then have to go look for the right wires. So a lot of time, we'll get it right. Oh, we got a mess to clean up. Bolts. Sort through these. Find good ones because I only bought 3 new ones. So hopefully I got enough. And I think we're ready for grease, oil, lube, net wrap. And next we'll bring in a hay rake that I bought. All right, so the last day, just giving her down here. We had to replace the cam follow bearings. And if you guys ever want to know how to do that, it's a pain in the butt. So these cam followers, which allow this thing to turn as it goes around and pick the hay up and put in the feeder. So those, you gotta take all of these out. This whole bar comes out, and you're gonna get to that nut and bolt to get the bearings out to replace them. It's probably 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. I just finished installing new teeth, got them back to good operation. Now I'm going to replace the covers that wrap around and a couple dust shields on the chains. Otherwise, they're ready to go. Pretty exciting. Hey, 2025 season. I picked up this Kuhn 6501 from an auction. I thought it was a good price. Everything works. It's got new tires I'm going to put on it. Just so I don't have to worry about flats because they are pretty dry rotted. Some of these are. I think that one's actually flat. And then get new ones on the back so we're good because I do a lot of road traveling. Cylinders do leak, but they're going to work just fine for the year. I'm going to go through, grease everything up, get it all tuned. It's funny, I did not know this right away, is they make steering links and non-steerable ones. And you can order it either way, and this one here happens to be ordered non-steering. Here's a kit, it's $2,500 to make it steer off that 3-point. So as you turn, it would have a link all the way back to the rear tires so you could turn sharper. Yeah, we're not going to do that this year. But we got to go through and get all the maintenance figured out on this thing. Gearbox fluids, check all joints, grease all joints. Make sure hoses are good. Nothing worse than going in the field and the whole hose is bad. But yeah. Hey Brett, why do you hate tubes? Because it takes forever to get the bead broke out. Tubes, no. Just get a new tire, plug the tire, don't use tubes. Well, today we're changing out some car tires on the old Rake to regular trailer tires because they're the wrong size. So we do some work on that. Figured why not? Good day. We got the day off of work. Tires. Now we're gonna blast her on to this trailer. Missed. Retry. Torque. Come back. So tonight we're working on the old 6430. We got a small little coolant leak. I've done some research. All right, just to show you what I did. We'll get the sucker back up and running, 'cause we're gonna get the snowblower mounted to it. Everybody needs a snowblower. When you live in Wisconsin, if you have one, it won't snow. So that's my hope. I got a snowblower. We're gonna get it hooked up, working. I've never used it on this tractor, and it shouldn't snow. We should be good. I cleaned that all up. Rake cleaned it. Restrapped her down. Just got done topping off the tank. As you can see, she's just under the full mark. So it should be good. All right, now I'm gonna run to the dump. Trash night Wednesdays. Get my dump off. Get the snowblower in here. We got some hydraulic work to do on the snowblower. So we'll get the hydraulic work on the snowblower. And shouldn't snow. Stay tuned.